Today we're going to look at how the UberCloud marketplace brings usability, high performance, and visual effects all together in one offering. I'm going to pull down some test data from my Dropbox account. That's where a lot of my simulation files these days are. I like to set it up in the advanced mode, and that gives me the ability to select what files I would like to have on my workstation in the cloud. So now, without even going through my desktop computer, the files that I already have on Dropbox will show up in just a few minutes on this workstation in the cloud. There they are. And if I want to take a look at the progress, I can always do that. So within about 30 more seconds, my files will all be downloaded. So the files I will use today, so let's take a look. The download is already complete. I'm going to take this board level design. Let's extract it. Great. So now, since the file is ready and it's extracted, I can go directly into the ANSYS workbench and open this geometry file. Then we'll go through the meshing of that as well. So you can see how powerful pre-processing capabilities are coming together with powerful computational capabilities of this workstation in the cloud. So very similar to how things would work on my local desktop here, I can open the geometry file, and that would be right here. And I can view and edit that file if I wanted to, and I could locally save it. I could put it back onto my Dropbox when I was ready with it. So okay, the file is now getting loaded. Okay, ready, and now let's generate that. There. Now let's see that we can easily view it in larger, zoomed in format. We can zoom out, we can zoom back in, even closer if we wanted to. So great, the geometry file is loaded. Let's save that here and get out. And now we'll go take a look at how the meshing capabilities work. And again, it will look very similar to how these capabilities work on your local desktop computer. Only thing is, it will go a little bit faster. So the geometry getting loaded into the meshing tool. Okay, great. And now let's generate the mesh. While operations that are CPU intensive are going on, you can always take a quick look at the system monitor, and that will tell you how many CPUs are being used, how heavily they are being utilized, and the system monitor is easy to access. It's right up here. So this process is going to take a few more minutes, but let's just fast forward that and take a look at how the meshing results would look on this screen right here. We can zoom in to the part we're interested in and turn the mesh right on. There we go. We can see it in quite good detail. So then I could run through this simulation all the way to the end, and this machine specifically here, this workstation in the cloud has 32 CPU cores, and I would be able to access all the computation power of that. Let's take a quick look at another example. We have the LS Dyno tool also available on this workstation in the cloud. I did not go through any installation process myself. Everything was right here. So that's the K file, if you're familiar with it. And let's go to the ls pre-post and open that file up. That would be right here. It's an airbag tire. Again, we have the full capabilities of the pre-post. Zoom in, zoom out with relative ease. No issues here. So it's very similar to how things would run on my desktop, and I have the computation power right at my fingertips here on this workstation in the cloud. I could very easily run it through a high-performance computing setup. Here I set it up to 8 CPU cores. That's as much as my model will handle, and I could just run through it.